Hey, what's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. Yeah. Anyway, I got some carbon fiber door sills and we're gonna be installing them today, so stay tuned and let's get right into this video. So in this video I'm gonna use the door sills, obviously, and then I'm gonna use a knife and some duct tape. Mainly just gonna measure out where the original stuff is, original sills on the front doors, and the back they don't have any sills. So I'm gonna install these, I guess, with my visualization of how it should be, and maybe I'll use the duct tape on the sills, like on the corners, just to have it stick better for like a day or so. So it just like holds it down instead of it coming off like at the corners like it usually does, like over here. If you can hear this. Yeah, like you don't want it to move like that and click, because that means like it's not sticking properly. So yeah, let's go. Probably gonna install the back first. So I cleaned the area already and kind of got the idea of how to install it. It's gonna be like this. I'm using these holes as like the middle, then I'm gonna have it stick out a little bit on each side. And I think we're good to install it. I cleaned it up before.
I started recording, so let's see how it turns out. Okay. It seems like it's good, but just in case, just put some duct tape over here. Okay. And on the other side. Oops. Shouldn't be coming off. I think I messed up putting the tape from the other side.
Interesting to see if this is gonna hold. But anyway, let's go to the other side. Alright, we're here on the other side. Everything is clean and ready to go. I'm just using like wet wipes to clean this, by the way, if you guys were interested in knowing what I was doing. So I took the back piece off and about to place it here.
Kind of like that, I think. Yeah, let's just add some pressure. I think even for the most part. Maybe I was installing it too far in. I don't know. But I have a feeling it's not going to hold well.
See, it's already coming off over here. Just doesn't stick. I wonder why. Okay. Bro, why is it like that? Fuck. Just need it to hold down, not fucking pull it. Jesus Christ. I don't know how this is gonna hold, but whatever. We'll see. So here's where it gets interesting. Didn't clean this, so I'm gonna show you guys that. On this part, so I just wipe it off like that, and it should be good for the most part. Too bad I don't have anything dry to wipe this stuff off. This will do. So let's use this duct tape to like know where the corner is. So this is for the corner stuff. On this side and on the other side, just putting some duct tape. Okay. Well, let's take this thing off. And this sill is definitely better than the one I'm gonna put now, but this is plastic though. Now I gotta clean all this dirt off, and besides the dirt, I gotta take off this glue somehow. So I decided to leave this glue here to try to reuse it, but I don't know if I can reuse it because it's sticky. But look, the problem is these door sills, they have like this corner. I don't even know how this tape is gonna reach. It's just so stupid. But I guess let's find out. Yeah, this is not gonna hold. This is retarded. I messed up. You guys wanna know what I just realized? That these door sills, these ones, they're supposed to go on the originals, because I was wondering why is this corner here. It makes no sense to have it, but I just realized that this goes directly on top of the original stuff and just tapes onto it. So I don't know if that's a good idea, but whatever. I already installed one on the passenger side, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install it on this side, but it's pretty simple. Just want to show it to you so you guys know what I did. Alright. So here's the driver's side door sill. I already cleaned it. Looks pretty sweet. I'm just using some wet wipes in a combination of just regular napkins or whatever to make it dry, because it tends to stay sticky from the wipes. So let's put this on. I took the tape off, as you can see, and then I'm just gonna put it on top. There's a small issue with this, that over here is a little bent. You can definitely see it on the video, because you just arrived like that. This one is worse than the other one, so yeah, it sucks. So I just pushed it on, and now I'm gonna put some tape on it to make it hold better. So let me grab that. Okay. So, using some duct tape again. I'm gonna cut a few pieces and just put it on each corner. Type thing, you know. Just gonna keep it for like a day or two, so to make sure it holds. Because from my experience, it doesn't hold well by itself. You gotta like have something hold it for a little bit. Because even if I apply pressure, it's not enough. So, yeah, that's how it looks. Well, these door sills look pretty sweet now. I actually like them. But before, I got pretty mad. I didn't think. I actually took off the original one on the passenger side, thinking I'm supposed to like replace them, but I guess not. You're supposed to just put it on top. Well, lesson learned, I guess. And didn't really mess up anything. I think they're pretty much stuck on pretty well, so I don't know. Whatever though, it looks nice now. Lesson learned. I should have probably did some research how to install these, but whatever, we all good. Like I said, I like them. They're sweet, they look nice. I have a lot of carbon fiber in my car now, I can't even. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.